Just a short video today because I've been pretty busy at work, busy with work and family and stuff, so it's been 2 weeks since I've had a video out. Today we just went and picked up this turd, so I've just done a quick video on the trip. It'll be pretty short, so yeah, so this will be another project, unfortunately. Not that I need any more, but it'll probably be a good camping bus. It's pretty tidy in size, got under 200,000 Ks, so I've got a auto trans job coming up shortly. I'll probably do a video on that in the next week. So that's a 904 out of off a slant 6, so get that done and out, and yeah, you'll probably see more on this thing. Pretty gross, but well, it's what it is, I suppose. Hurry up, bloke. I want to go home.
Oh, sorry, man. Just your standard view of a Mitsubishi being towed by a patrol.
Loves it. that.
You see where I've tied it, where it's still alright?
Yeah, you can see. Good job. It's quiet out here, it's killer. Hey! What are you doing? Must be our sharing quarters. It's like a mirror image on the other side, the other rooms. Got the Pajero off the trailer. The other project I didn't need. Got the 904, she's turned up for the slant. That'll be in reconned. Got the kit here. The rebuild kit there. So we'll get that done in the next couple of weeks, hopefully. Other than that, it's going in a VC, pretty cool old VC. You'll probably see pictures of that later. Well, it's not mine, but it's pretty cool either way. That's about it. Pretty casual video, but there's not much happening at the minute. So we're waiting for that 265 with the oil pressure problem. We've discovered it's got a broken piston and the balls aren't that great, so that's the machine shop. So yes, anyway, see you in a week hopefully. Catches.